Kabbalah, often spelled as Kabbalah or Kabbalah, is a mystical and esoteric branch of Jewish thought and practice. It is a spiritual and philosophical system that seeks to understand the nature of God, the universe, and humanity through a complex framework of symbolism, meditation, and ritual. The origins of Kabbalah can be traced back to the early medieval period, but it gained prominence during the late medieval and Renaissance periods, particularly in Jewish communities in Spain, Provence, and later in Saft, Israel. Over time, it has evolved into various schools of thought and practices. Key concepts within Kabbalah include the Tree of Life, a central symbolic diagram representing the structure of the universe and the divine. It consists of 10 interconnected nodes, known as Sephiroth, and 22 paths, each corresponding to aspects of God and the human psyche. Sephiro, the 10 attributes or emanations through which God interacts with and manifests in the world. Each Sephira represents a different aspect of God's nature. Ein Sof, the infinite and unknowable aspect of God, often described as the ultimate source and cause of all creation. The Divine Light, a fundamental concept representing the divine energy that flows through the Tree of Life, influencing and sustaining all existence. Gematria, a system of assigning numerical values to Hebrew letters, believed to contain hidden meanings and connections within words and texts. Kabbalistic teachings focus on understanding the nature of God, creation, the soul, and the purpose of human life. Practitioners engage in meditative practices, study sacred texts, such as the Zohar and the writings of Kabbalistic sages, and often work within a community or under the guidance of a spiritual teacher. In the mystical tradition of Kabbalah, a symbolic representation known as the Tree of Life plays a significant role. Traditionally, the Tree of Life is depicted as an arrangement of 10 interconnected spheres or Sephiroth, each representing a different aspect of existence and the divine. However, there is a less known but equally fascinating concept, the upside-down, or reverse, Tree of Life. In this reversed representation, the Tree of Life is flipped, suggesting a different perspective on the spiritual journey. The higher Sephiroth, which typically represent divine and abstract concepts, are now closer to the earthly realm. This inversion encourages practitioners to ground themselves in the material world, using their experiences and struggles as a path to spiritual growth and enlightenment. Much like this inverted tree, the human mind can be viewed as a garden that needs deliberate cultivation. Our thoughts, beliefs, and experiences are the seeds, and our actions and choices are the nurturing elements. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, we must tend to our minds with care and attention. Key parallels between the upside-down tree of Kabbalah and the mind as a garden. Foundation and roots. The higher Sephiroth, traditionally representing abstract concepts, are now at the base of the inverted tree. Similarly, the mind's foundational beliefs and values are the roots that anchor our thoughts and actions in the physical world. Nurturing growth. Just as a gardener tends to the roots and nourishes the soil, we must nurture our beliefs and thoughts, providing them with the right environment for growth. Positive influences, education, and experiences contribute to the healthy development of our minds. Branches and growth. As we nurture the roots, our beliefs and thoughts sprout and grow, branching out into various aspects of our lives. Like the branches of a tree, our thoughts extend into our actions, relationships, and the world around us. Fruits of labor. A well-tended garden yields bountiful fruits. Similarly, a mind cultivated with positive beliefs, creativity, and compassion will produce the fruits of joy, kindness, and success in our lives. Pruning and trimming. In a garden, careful pruning ensures healthy growth. Likewise, regularly reviewing and adjusting our beliefs and thoughts helps us stay aligned with our values and aspirations. Harmony and balance. A well-designed garden is a place of harmony and balance. Similarly, a mind cultivated with balance, embracing both the challenges and joys of life, leads to a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. Understanding the interconnectedness of our mind and the symbolism of the upside-down tree of Kabbalah empowers us to consciously cultivate our thoughts and beliefs. By embracing this metaphor, we can strive for a balanced, flourishing mental garden, allowing us to navigate the complexities of life with purpose and grace.